here's that gravelly stuff. Maybe,
Oh, yeah.
maybe.
I was
This.
almost unaware of it.
Hmm. On the whole mountain, that's one of the most dangerous spots. Weird. Like a 4-foot drop with loose gravel. It's just a slide, is all it is.
Like a tailbone.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure I've broken my tailbone. You know, because there's pretty much nothing they can do about it.
Who?
Let it grow back together.
Your coccyx?
Huh?
Your coccyx or something such. Some such thing. Oh. Oh, I think that's the trail over there. Yeah, I'm not sure it's easy to get down that way over there. You can do it though.
Do your legs get pretty tired after coming out here?
I have before.
But in like a longer hike.
Yeah, it was
I guess
pretty.
just because I worked out yesterday and it was like pretty much all legs.
I had a slight workout this morning, just because I'm getting used to doing it slightly. So
Okay.
it's probably good. Hey.
Hi. Hello. Hi. How are
Hey.
you?
You have an apple, so yeah. It's got to be pretty good. You have an apple.
I like these little bunches of yellow flowers.
Yeah.
They're happy little guys.
And hardy.
You gotta be hardy to grow out here.
Love the rocks and the heat. So did you drink 2 bottles?
I actually picked this one up.
Oh, good. Awesome. I thought about picking one up.
Well, it's the thought that counts.
Well, it counts for very little, but still, it's the start. It could be the start of a do.